Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by lining up prerequisites: live news feeds, a sentiment tool, and a pre-sized risk plan. Once done, scan headlines for catalysts, regulation, listings, hacks, or macro moves. Make sure to convert headlines into a numeric sentiment score quickly. Keep thresholds ready. Immediately tag high-impact items as trade candidates. Do not idle when a candidate hits your threshold. Prepare the order and preset stop loss and take profit. This is the first actionable step toward trading on news. Once a headline passes the threshold, confirm the signal. Check on-chain flows, volume spikes, and order book shifts within 1 to 15 minutes. Then match the time frame to your horizon. Scalps use 1 minute, swing trades use 15 minutes. Make sure to stagger entries: 25% at signal, 50% on momentum confirmation, remaining 25% for breakout follow-through. Place a limit order when possible, with a market fallback. Set stops immediately to guard against fake news or reversals. You finish by closing positions at your target or by using a trailing stop to capture extended moves. Once closed, log the trade. Headline, sentiment score, indicators used, entry, exit, and P&L for pattern learning. If you encounter a false signal, exit fast and review. Was the source unreliable? Was sentiment misread? Or did market context change? Make sure to adjust filters, add a confirmatory source, or increase delay to reduce noise. That single tweak prevents repeat mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.